check it out. We're at the NBC Universal booth here at CES, and we are doing the obligatory record each other. John Acarino, the man, and dude, Curtis, going a little old school on us. What's up?
Well, so yeah, we're at the technical epicenter of the world, and I thought, what better way to sort of honor technology by completely ignoring it? So I'm using a circa 1956 Smith Corona Clipper typewriter. This is just some blank. I just typed this up. This is
that's your page.
This is my page. You can go to it. It kind of has a secret code if you hold it up to the light.
Oh, okay.
It's nice.
And it's got good throughput, I understand here.
Yeah, it's 100% wireless. No memory limitations. Battery life issues are non-existent.
Curtis, it looks like your typewriter's missing a 1 key.
Yeah, so
what exactly is going on there?
Well, that's sort of an efficiency of design, because when you type 1, it looks the same as an L here. So here's some L's, and L looks just like 1. So they just did away with the 1 key, which I think is great.
So it's the original leet speak.
Totally, and even more than that, it's sustainable. It just reduced the number of keys. I mean, computers today, I don't even know how many keys they have, like 100.
And you're also going like multimedia on us, right?
Yep, I did do a gallery on my page. So you can see here, these are some winners of a trip to Las Vegas to test drive this Tesla Roadster.
And can I enlarge this? How does it work?
Instead of pinching, which is Apple IP, this actually uses a zooming.
Oh, okay. Here, so if I that's nice.
So instead of pinching, which is kind of aggressive, and I don't know, this you just kind of interface with it like this. So
it's really intuitive.
Right. Steve Jobs, I can get you the technology cheap. Just give me a call.
And what's your device to produce these beautiful images here?
Okay, so I'm using a Polaroid Land 250 automatic camera. It's got Zeiss Icon optics, it's state-of-the-art 1968. Polaroid had some good announcements at the show. I'm really happy for them. It doesn't help me out with this camera at all, but that's okay. It collapses.
Awesome. It's portable.
And it's pretty nice.
So where can people see your writings, your page, if you will? It was great.
Well, if you see me walking around or at the bus stop or whatever, just ask me. I'll be happy to take it out and show it to you. I will need it back, though. It completely eliminates piracy. But yeah, I mean, that's...
Right, because you'd have to type another one up, wouldn't you?
From scratch. I don't... Yeah, that's my page. And, check it out.
All right, once again, ladies and gentlemen, it is Curtis Walker. We are at the epicenter of technology here at CES, the NBC Universal booth. Thank you.